Are you experiencing misfires under load, check engine lights, poor gas mileage? These are all symptoms of failing ignition coils and spark plugs. I'm Damien from Pelican Parts, and today I'm going to show you how to change these out on your 986 Boxster.
Gaining access to the coils and plugs requires removal of the rear wheels. Go ahead and grab your 19mm socket and an impact gun to do so. Using a 10mm socket, remove these two plastic nuts. These secure the wheel well trim cover to the wheel well. This cover needs to be removed on each side to reach the ignition coil and plug on cylinders 1 and 4. There should be a cover over the ignition coils that are held on by two 10mm bolts. Ours are missing and yours may be as well. Here's a diagram of the cylinder designation and firing order for you to reference. Now we can start by removing the connectors. Each one is protected by a rubber boot. Since they are somewhat exposed to the environment, the locking tab to release the connector is at the top. You can press it down through the rubber boot and slide the connector straight off. Each coil is fastened to the valve cover with two E10 external Torx bolts. Here's a pro tip. If you're unable to fit a socket and ratchet setup in the area, grab a 12.8mm closed-end wrench. This will grab just as well as the external Torx socket and is much easier to fit around in the area. To speed things up, I zipped out whatever bolts I could with the E-Torx socket on a screw gun. With all the bolts holding down the ignition coils removed, you can give them a nice yank to get them out and into your nearest trash can. They may be a bit stubborn depending on how long they've been installed. Spark plugs are up next. Using a 16mm thin-walled socket, an 8-inch extension, and a ratchet, remove them by turning counterclockwise. Again, space is the issue here, and you'll have to put together the combo that works for you. I was able to use a battery-powered ratchet to zip these out a bit quicker. Out with the old and in with the new. Put your new plugs in your socket and thread them in by hand until they bottom out. Grab your torque wrench, set it to 30 Newton meters, and torque them down. Torquing spark plugs is crucial as this will prevent you from over-tightening them, which not only will increase the chances of damaging your heads, but it can also make the spark plugs harder to remove the next time around. Our ignition coil kit comes with Rennline's OE Plus upgraded ignition coils. These are literally the best bang for your buck over plain old OEM replacements. Rennlines are constructed out of more robust components, including the primary and secondary circuits. Before we install Rennline's ignition coils, let's go over a couple things you may run into. Most, if not all, 986 and 996 left the factory with the ignition coils that had a shorter housing, mounting tabs, and bolts. Rennline based their design off the taller ignition coils, and they even make a complete hardware kit to retrofit for any cars that still have the old discontinued ones. Using a 5mm hex with a universal joint on an extension, tighten them down. Put back the connectors, install the wheel well trim cover and the wheel. Repeat the same process on the other side of the engine, which is bank 1, cylinders 1, 2, and 3. The process is practically identical.
All right.
I recommend resetting the mixture, throttle, and idle adaptations of the DME. To reset this after the battery was reconnected, turn the ignition to key on, engine off for 60 seconds. Then turn the ignition off and remove the key for at least 10 seconds. For both steps, make sure you do not touch the accelerator pedal in any way. I did notice that in order to clear the oxygen sensor connector, I had to unplug the sensor and remove this 10mm bolt holding down the mounting bracket.
Porsche recommends replacing your spark plugs every 60,000 miles, and you should always check and replace your ignition coils at the same time. Armed with the knowledge for next time, head on over to pelicanparts.com where you'll find any part, tool, or tech article you may need to work on your Porsche.